Build your own cloud with OpenStack and Ceph, step-by-step HCI installation. First, we will install the first 050 node and get the keys. Use the keys for the rest of the deployment. Creating first node and initializing SSH. Above config is for the hypervisor Proxmox network interface. These are the two bridges that would be used for the rest of the deployment. Now the rest of the nodes are created. OS1, OS2, OS3, OS4, OS5 and OS6 will be used for OpenStack. After the creation of the new nodes, the instances are booted. Now Kubespray is going to deploy Kubernetes. Let's wait a bit for Kubernetes deployment. All the nodes has processor type host. This is necessary for nested virtualization. All nodes has 2 disks for OSD deployment of the Ceph. Now we will SSH into the first node OS0 to see the progress. Currently Kubespray is installed inside this directory. This is the script file for deploying Kubespray and then Rook. After the Rook deployment, we need 5 or 10 minutes to boot up the whole Ceph cluster. The other screen is deploying the configurations on Tmux session. Try to use Tmux sessions for this kind of deployments. Sometimes internet connections might get lost with problems. Kubernetes installation is using the first node OS1 as controller, and the rest as worker, OS2, OS3, OS4. Let's jump to the OS1 node to see how it works. You can see that the containers already are beginning to spawn here. We have 2 disks, each 100 GB here. They will be used for the OSD daemons. It is almost finished. Let's return to OS0. The rest few steps will be done manually. This is necessary for exposing the nodes to the outside world. This way they will be using node port. Ceph installation is done. Now we will proceed to OpenStack deployment. Thanks for watching. More open source infrastructure content coming soon. Visit kubedo.com